Sofi, okay.
Puede agarrar eso de la mención. A la buscar y 50. ¿Lo dijiste? ¿Sí?
No, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the morning. But I'm still awed by the rockets and speeds and wow. Now take note.
Unidentified users detected in Pablo Conduit area. Scanning. Calculating. Locomotive maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required. Users, please proceed to Tron Light Cycle run for upload. Once digitized, you may board your light cycle and join the games. Fair warning, users. Competition is fierce and fast. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory.
And that's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it, right? Yes, sirree, in this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland.
Just a reminder to have your legs and feet inside the cars. Thank you.
Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me, and I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA, a place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treats. After our stop, we'll be heading for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of you. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station, after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
We're now arriving into Main Street, USA. Please remain completely seated. I will give the words of all clear when it is safe for you to exit the train. At this time, please remain seated. Remain seated. Okay, it's all clear. You may exit the train. Welcome to Main Street, USA. Have a great afternoon.
Hello, sir.
How you doing?
Pretty good, thank you.
And I'd like to bid you guys a top of the morning. And welcome back to another episode of the Wealth Wise Guru. I'm your host, John Shaft. And it is Tuesday morning. November the 12th, 2024. And we are up this morning about $65 with a buying power of $300. Investing $28,426. And let's take a look this morning at the portfolio. I'm going to be closing out a option this morning for a company that I am not too fond of. I haven't made any money off of it. Matter of fact, I have been losing some money, and it's up this morning, so I want to go ahead and close it out just because it is up. And that company is GM, which is General Electric, trading at 184.57, and it's going back and forth of into the green and into the red. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this. This is an option. I actually bought it. I think it was last week, and it just has some really poor performance. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use. I can use the profit somewhere else over something a little bit more profitable than this particular company, this particular option. So we're gonna be closing that out. So I place a warrant up top here. It's a warrant contract. Limiting price is between $16.75 and asking is $17.75. So we're gonna type in 16.75. As you can see, it's a high field likelihood. Estimated profit or credit is $16.74. So we're gonna hit review and slide it up. And the order has been accepted and filled. And we're gonna see how much buying power we now have. So now we have a buying power of $3,662.94. Okay, as you can see, we have some more options. They are in the red this morning. So we're going to let them ride out. I just thought I would. Normally I wouldn't do that, but I just decided I wanted to use that particular profit there for or somewhere else. GM is a aerospace company. They make turbine engines and things like that for aircraft. So I might get back into it later on. I still have a standard stock in GM. I just closed out the option position because it didn't seem to be going anywhere. As you can see, next up is Tesla. Tesla's down this morning. Matter of fact, got quite a few of them that are down this morning. So we're having a slight market correction this morning. Not too bad. And we're going to have that from time to time, slight corrections, and that's for really for our sakes. in order for us to be able to afford to continue to invest in these companies, the market have a slight correction, or a slight pullback, and even though nobody likes to see their portfolio down, it is better in the long run, because you can still can get in into some of these shares at an affordable price. Because some of this stuff, man, some of these shares, man, goes up really, really high in value, and you may not be able to afford to get into it. Not if you want to buy the a whole share of say 100 shares of a particular stock. Like Palantir here is down this morning by 63 cents, so you might well say it's trading at 60 cents. I mean, $60. And I have 100 shares of it, and that's bought over a period of time, and so the value of it is almost right at $8,000, but it's negative this morning, $100, and total profit though has been over $3,000. So this is going to be a win-win profit here. A stock like this, if this was an option, this is not an option. This is just a regular buy and hold and to it mature. If this was an option and it had these kind of figures on like 73%, 80%, 90%. If this was an option, then you would go ahead and sell it out. Because you get 90%, you don't want to continue to hold on to an option and it's at 90%, thinking that it's gonna go even further, because it might go back and reverse. So you been already made most of your profit off of that particular stock. But by this being just a regular stock, a regular equity trading stock, you can hold on to it as long as you want. And for instance, last week I had one that was called Reddit. And Reddit, I didn't even have a regular stock in Reddit. I just had a option in it. And that option had grew to over like 547%. And to be honest with you, it grew. I didn't even pay attention to it. I had completely forgot about it. So most time when the option get like 90%, I close it out. But this particular option got up like 500%. That just shows you how much attention I paid to it. And so I sold it out. And it might have cost me probably about, I want to say, it was under $1,000 when I bought it, that position. And so I actually made, over $4,000 from it. And plus me having a margin account, they match it, that $4,000 for dollars. So I actually made $9,000 off that particular stock. And so the only thing I did was turn around and reinvest it, and bought me some more stock. And that's how you build generational wealth. You don't take the money out and go spend it on something frivolous, unless you just got a whole lot of you got a great big portfolio. You got at some time or another in the nearby future. Yeah, I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 100,000 in a portfolio. Then you can go and reward yourself. But I felt like it wasn't quite that time to do anything like that, so I just took that money in and reinvested back into the market. As you can see, we're still down quite a bit few stocks this morning. That means that is the market is on sale today, and should be a buying frenzy. That's when you load up, when you see all this red in place. And you are viewing another episode of WealthWiseGuru. I'm your host, John Schaff, and we are just about 30 minutes into or after the opening of the bell. And it is Tuesday morning, November the 12th, 2024. And I hope all the veterans yesterday had an enjoyable and prosperous Veterans Day. And so by me having 3,662 available, I'm going to be buying me some more of Tesla stocks. Probably sometime today. I'm not going to do it while here I'm online. As you can see, I have bought back into crypto as well. Not too much, just a little bit, just to see how it was going to do. Simply because of newly elect former president and president, they elect Trump. He's I think he's a Bitcoin investor, and so I wanted to get me some get back into Bitcoin. And so I'm going to be buying me some Tesla this morning too. Tesla, as you can see, is down by $7 and some cents. This stock is set probably to go to at least probably 900, if not better. So you too want to get into this, even if you just had to just buy a little bit of it at a time. I currently have 5.9 positions of it. And so, like I said, later on, I'm going to be buying me some more of it. So let's roll down some more. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia is trading at 147.14 this morning. It's up by $1.97. And I have 103 shares of it, valued at $15,260. And I made this morning $200 off of it, a total of $27.52. I have 8 option strategies in the video, as you can see. The profit from it is $1,124. Total return today is $94 off of the options. And this is how you build generational wealth. Or you just keep on investing over a period of time. I know people that investors like me has $1 million, $500,000, $1 million, and some of them even have $1 billion portfolio. And you can live off your portfolio, and when you have this kind of money available to you, you can, the sky's the limit. You can buy whatever it is that you want. But first, you have to get there. This is Palantir Technology. It's down today about 56 cents, 60 cents, trading at 59.65. I have 131 shares of it. Market value of it is $870 some. It is negative today is $77, and positive total is over $3,000. I have two option strategies. It's in the negative for $445. Total return today is -7. Actually, I'm doing better just holding doing this in a regular trade than doing the options. Options is not doing too good when it comes to this particular company for some reason. I might take a better look at it to see what's going on with it. And as you can see, we still have quite a bit of red this morning. And like I say, when you see it's red like this, is when you should be loading up and purchasing more shares. So let's take a look at the ROI app this morning. And looks like we still have a net worth of $106,000. And if you have an investment app that you're investing in, using such as Robinhood or what have you, you need to get this app as well, and it goes along with your investment portfolio. It gives you a better outlook of what your portfolio is doing. And you can follow your favorite trader and see how they are trading, and you too could get what they currently have in their portfolio. And they have everybody in him, from Warren Buffett to Nancy Pelosi to popular Congress. And so you just click on their name, and then you can see who you like to copy their trade. See, they even have Bill Gates. See, Bill Gates is even in here. Even J.D. Vance, I don't think he actually have anything that he was trading in. I haven't seen anything that he had in his portfolio. We're going to be taking another temperature check, see what's going on this morning. Not going to hold you guys too long this morning for a long video. There's no need to. You know, the market's going to do what it's going to do anyway. You just set your stops, limiting price points, whatever you want, whether you're doing regular equity trading or options or either day trading. So it's up, it's better now. It's gotten up to $200 a share. Trading at 28,290. So maybe it's going back up this morning. Well, like I say, I'm going to be later on when I get offline. I'm going to be probably buying me some more Tesla stock. And Tesla's trading at this morning $341.16. And that's going to do it for today's video. If nothing else happens significantly today that affects the stock market, then I'll probably see you guys again on Wednesday morning at the opening of the bell. Until then, may all your trades be a good one. May you have a happy and prosperous and safe day. And we'll see you guys again on Wednesday morning at the opening of the bell. Hit the like button, share button, and subscribe to the channel. And then hit the notification button on your way out. And again, we thank you for watching.
Is it worth it? Oh yeah, it's worth it. If you're strong enough.